1. In this part you will be learning how to use the options project curve and intersect curve option. 2. In this section, we will be designing a part of rear portion of the car using boundary surface option.
In this part, we are going to design the rear side of the car and the side portion of the car. So let's start. Click the back plane, click sketch and give Ctrl 8 to get this view. Now draw a spline by keeping reference of this line. Draw a spline from here to here. Slightly adjust this portion of the point so that it matches the profile of this curve. Now click exit. Now give extrude surface and drag it along this region so that it crosses the wheel region and click OK. Now change the view to wireframe mode. Click the right plane and click sketch. Give Ctrl 8 for a normal view. Choose spline and draw a spline from over here. Choose as many points so that to get an accurate curve region. Now choose offset entities and click this sketch. And give 35 mm in the reverse direction. Now take a line and join these 2 points. Now exit sketch. Then go to Features and give Extruded Boss Base. Then move to the solid mode and select up to surface and choose this surface. Then click OK. Now again go to the back plane and click sketch. Give Ctrl 8 for a normal view. Then next, now we are going to draw this part of the car. Now take a spline, draw a spline from over here to here. Now draw another spline. Oops. First give convert entities and choose this spline and give OK. Now drag this point along over here to here. Now draw a spline from this point, one point over here, second point over here, and the final point over here. Now select, then select these 2 curves and give equal curvature. Now slightly adjust this curve so as to get a approximate profile. And same as like that, select these 2 curves and give equal curvature and adjust the curves accordingly to get a profile like this. exit the sketch. Now go to surface module and give extrude surface and give the distance as 750 mm. Then click OK. Now hide this plane. Now go to this option, cut with surface, and click the surface and make sure that the arrow is outside, facing outside, and then click OK. Now select this face by clicking Ctrl, this face, and at last this face and this face. Then go to offset surface and give 0 mm. Then click OK. Now go to this surface and click show. Go to tools, insert, features, and inside there will be an option called delete or keep body. Give delete body, click this one, this surface, and this body. Then click OK. Now a profile like this will be created. Now select this cutting plane and give trim surface and select this one and click keep selections. Then click OK. Now click the right pane and click sketch. Give Ctrl 8 for normal view. Now draw a spline from this area to here. Give escape. Now exit the sketch. Go to curves and give split line and select this plane. Okay, intersection. Keep it in projection and click OK. Now click the back plane. And press Ctrl and drag it in the front side to create a new plane based on the back plane and give the distance as 750 mm and then click OK. Now again go to curve and give split line, then choose intersection, then select these two surfaces, then click OK. The main function of the intersection is that it will divide the surface based on the plane or any line which you have drawn perpendicular to it. Now click this plane and click sketch and draw a curve from over here to this point. select this curve and this curve, give equal curvature, and same as that, select this curve and this plane, give equal curvature, and slightly adjust it so as to get the proper shape of the car body. Now go to the right plane and click sketch and give Ctrl 8 for a normal view. Then draw a spline, slightly rotate this view, and draw a spline from over here to here. Now adjust the handle of this, click this and give horizontal, and click this handle and give vertical, then click OK. Now again go to right view, then adjust this slightly to get the approximate projection of the rear side of the car. Then click OK, exit sketch. Now go to boundary surface and select this curve first, and then this curve. Then go to the direction tool, select this one. Click this group selection and then select the group. To the last. Then give OK. The connectors shows error. Go to selection manager and click it in this select group. Then give the group selections as follows. Click this one, click this one, click this one, and click this one and give OK. It will get accepted. And for the second group, continuous group, follow the same rules. Click this one, click this one, and sometimes the line will not be able to be selected due to that any glitch or like that something. At that time, zoom out and zoom in for sometimes. Rotate in some angles. It will get selected. Then click OK. Now you will get a profile like this one. Then click OK. Now choose the backplane, click sketch. Now we are going to draw this area. Choose spline and start from here, draw over here. Slightly adjust the handles so as to get a superimposed to curve over here. Click OK. Now slightly rotate your model. Click these 2 points. Select this point and give coincident. Now click exit. Now go to trim surface and choose the surface to be removed. In this case, this is the surface to be removed. Click remove selections. Click OK. Now this surface will be removed. Select the right plane and click sketch and give Ctrl A to get a normal view. Then draw a spline from over this region to this region. Then adjust the spline. Adjust the spline. Give this spline horizontal and give this spline handle vertical thing, and adjust the splines to get the approximate profile of the car. Then next, exit sketch. Now click the right plane and drag it along this side to the distance of 700 mm.